We are the first leading cryptocurrency platform in Spain since 2015. Meet our suite with more than 20 services, among which we highlight Wallet. You can buy, sell, exchange, store, and send more than 60 cryptocurrencies and euros easily and securely through the card, bank transfer, and cash. Trade. We have a high-frequency market service with great support for orders and liquidity and minimum spreads. Academy. In our academy, we offer more than 400 articles and courses with certificates, with which you can learn from scratch everything related to the cryptocurrency world. App. A suite in the palm of your hand. Whenever and wherever you want, always at your fingertips. Available for iOS and Android.
Greetings Bit2Mers. In today's video we are going to talk about blockchain technology. Let's dive in. The blockchain is an accounting ledger where all digital events that have occurred and occur within a network are recorded. This is a detailed record that is distributed or shared among all the different parties connected to a network, and can only be updated based on the consensus of the majority of its participants. Once information is entered and recorded within the blockchain, it can never be deleted. For example, the Bitcoin blockchain contains a detailed and verifiable record of all transactions that have been made on this network from its inception to the present day. Blockchain, a technology that can change everything. Blockchain is a technology that has the power to change our relationship with the digital world forever. Its fundamental principles ensure the security and verifiability of information by identically distributing this information on thousands of computers to prevent it from being altered at will or treason. But in turn, when information needs to be legitimately updated, all computers synchronize in seconds. And even if one of the thousands of connected computers disappeared from the network, nothing would happen because the information would remain intact on the remaining active computers. This technology has been trying to solve it for decades and, finally achieved in Bitcoin by its creator, the unknown Satoshi Nakamoto. Explaining the basics of blockchain. Computers connected to the network are nodes, geographically and computationally distributed to each other. These nodes record information within the blockchain using a proof of work, a cryptographic process that proves that one computer, and not another, has solved a mathematical problem correctly. Consensus also plays a fundamental role within the blockchain, preventing falsifying an entry of information on the blockchain. This rule of agreements makes lying on the blockchain a complicated attack, as it assumes that more than half of the connected nodes agree to lie in the same way about the data to be recorded, all at the same time, and without having the possibility to coordinate that lie beforehand. That's why everything that is embodied in blockchain can never go away. Blockchain is an immutable and permanent database, which only allows scripting. You can't modify or delete anything from it, and it always works under consensus. Distributed blockchains have changed everything. Thanks to the concept of distributed consensus in blockchain, it can create an incorruptible record of past and present events in the digital world. Also, this works without compromising the privacy of connected users. Blockchain can record that the event in question took place, and that it has done so correctly without signifying specific details about the type of event or the parties involved. But which are the common misconceptions about blockchain? Those who start in Bitcoin tend to confuse blockchain with blockchain.com. But, as we have seen, blockchain is the powerful technology that brings Bitcoin to life, while blockchain.com is a digital platform allowing you to observe data of current events on the Bitcoin network, such as up-to-date charts in real time, transactions, or detailed information about mined blocks. Blockchain was designed for the financial sector, but today many other industries are harnessing its potential. For example, for distribution and cloud storage, many companies are implementing blockchain to provide highly secure cloud storage services. Also for patents or property registry, as blockchain keeps an immutable record, one of its main non-financial uses is registering patents or intellectual protection. It could also be used for electronic voting. Blockchain enables an electronic voting system that simplifies the process, protects participants' identities, reduces costs, and ensures safety and reliability in your results. It could also used, for example, for a more transparent government. With blockchain technology, any city council or government could reflect the status of their accounts in real time, ensuring transparency in their management. The financial sector has finally detected the disruptive potential that this technology will have in its industry, so there are new investments in this sector almost daily. Some of the leading Spanish banks investing in this technology are BBVA, Bankinter, and Santander. In Estonia, we also see how one of its top banks is developing a wallet using Bitcoin, allowing free and instant money transfers. Conclusion: the potential of blockchain technology can introduce a level of democracy and objectivity into the digital world, which is unheard of and unattainable in the physical world. It is a technology that promises us a future where no one has absolute power on the web and where no one can lie about past or current events. Also, it is a dynamic technology that is constantly evolving, offering new solutions and innovations that can lead to the development of a more transparent and fair world. If you would like to buy your first cryptocurrencies, create your wallet for free at bit2me.com. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our latest content. Until next time.